Welcome in this virtue how to log out of your ByBit account. So what are the steps to log out of ByBit? So you can see there are 3 answers, so here's a step-by-step guide on how to log out of ByBit. First, you want to open the ByBit app or website. Secondly, go to the account settings or profile section, and thirdly, look for the lockout or sign out option. Then you want to click on it to log out of your private account. Confirm the log out if prompted, and that's it, you have successfully logged out of private. Then we can see these people are also basically stating the same thing. So basically just find your profile, look for the lockout or sign out option and click on it. And that's how to log out of your private account. If the city was helpful, make sure to like the video and thank you for watching.